Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this Footwear Pop-It Cake. Super colourful and vibrant. Start with some melted white chocolate and red food colour. Then repeat the same with purple, orange, yellow, green and blue. Pop those into piping bags and pipe onto each row of a heart poppet, starting with the blue, then the purple, red, orange, green and yellow. You can do them in any order. Just give it a tap to fill any spaces and then refrigerate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, get a chocolate cake and a paper cutout of a shoe. Place it on top and cut around. Remove the excess cake. Now let's add some white buttercream and stick on a second layer of cake. Then finally coat the entire thing in white buttercream. Then just smooth it out. Brilliant. Refrigerate that for 10 minutes and your set chocolate is ready. Tip it upside down on some card and carefully peel away the heart poppet. Then just place your colourful chocolate pieces on top of the cake. Perfect. Around the edges too, matching up the colours. And lastly, get some black fondant for the Y-shaped strap of your flip-flop. And there you have it. Fantastically colourful Footwear Pop-It Cake. A chocolate delight to behold. Enjoy! Who wants to make an Elsa Shoe Cake? Me! Brilliant! Let's start. First, put a little buttercream icing onto a cake display board and stick on your sponge cake. We're using a rectangular shaped vanilla sponge cake. We're going to coat that in blue buttercream icing. A lovely baby blue, perfect for Elsa. Smooth it out and layer it up. We want this to be quite tall. Third layer going on there. Now we're going to put on our shoe template, which we've cut out of cardboard, and slice around it. There we go, perfect! Now let's do some further detail. Using another template, we're going to slice out the heel so that we've got a raised platform shoe. And just cut the excess off the top there. There we go, you see we've got a side template there. Tells us how high we need the cake. Now you're going to slice out a bit to pop your toes in. And look at that, a beautiful shoe shape is forming. Just perfecting it up a bit. Just tidying it up a bit around the edges. Perfect. Time to add some more buttercream icing. Adding it on the top, all the way up until the part where the toes go in. And then some more for the toes. Buttercream icing going on the top there, and on the end of the shoe, and on the inside. Using a knife to just smooth it out. Perfect. Okay, let's add our insole. We are using some moulding chocolate. Roll it out, get your inner shoe template and cut around. Super easy really, isn't it? This is the same template we used earlier. Now we want to make it a bit smaller so it can fit inside the cake shoe. And then just carefully stick it on. Using your fingers to press it down. And a tool if you need to. Brilliant! This is really coming together now. Have a look at that. Right, get some more brown moulding chocolate and roll it out. We're going to stick on some templates which are for the sides of the shoe. So cut around those using your tool. Excellent. Now let's stick those on the side of the shoe. Use your tool to help press it down. Even a bit of water will help. Then, coat the outside in your blue buttercream icing. Covering all the brown on the edges. Just smooth it out to perfect it. And then pipe on some white buttercream icing around the edge to form a beautiful border. We've used a serrated edge nozzle because it looks very pretty. One big bit of buttercream icing on the end and stick on a snowflake candy. Now some snowflake cake decorations going on the main part of your shoe. Lovely. There you go, super fancy! Now using a very tiny piping nozzle, we're piping on some little dots that look kind of like pearls. And all the way around the edge to join the bit where the bear cake meets the buttercream icing, piping on little beads of buttercream icing. White, of course, to keep with the snowy winter theme. And there you have it. Amazing, beautiful, frozen Elsa shoe cake. Why don't you have a go? Brilliant for any winter-themed party.